Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify your Samsung model supports a voice assistant and that Smart Hub is active. Next, connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi network and sign into your Samsung account so settings sync. Once done, open Settings, navigate to General Voice and choose your assistant, Bixby, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. Make these selections now so the TV is ready for pairing. This step unlocks the on-screen menus and remote voice pairing options used in the next slide. Now pair and configure the assistant. Press and hold the remote's mic button to trigger pairing. The TV shows prompts. Follow on-screen instructions to grant microphone access, choose your speaking language, and accept privacy settings so voice data is handled correctly. If you picked Alexa or Google, link those accounts using the TV's code inside the companion app or via account linking on the TV that enables skills and routines. Make sure to test a simple command like Open Netflix to confirm voice control is active and responsive. Finish by refining the experience. Run voice training or voice wake up so the assistant recognizes your voice better, and adjust microphone sensitivity in settings to reduce false triggers. Also review privacy controls and disable the wake phrase if you prefer manual activation. If commands fail, reboot the TV and remote, repair the remote, confirm Wi-Fi is stable, and install any firmware updates. If problems persist, unlink and relink the assistant account. This often clears authentication or skill sync issues and restores full voice function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.